Hello, we are going to learn how to use images in report. Let's just jump into the use case. I have a small pre-made report. It currently contains the code of the employee. I would now like to have an image. Now to do so, in the backend, my table already has a column called image, which contains the local link to the headshots of the employee. Now let's come back. Double click on code, remove this item, select a table object from the inspector, a picture object, and to the best of your knowledge, let's just try and drop an image over here. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect the first time. Okay, click on OK. As you've seen, we have not selected an item because we want the item to be dynamically loaded. Selecting this, click on events, click on before print, double click it, and now we have a small code that we will type, which would be the name of our object is picture1 dot file link colon equals to, it is all inside image, we drag and drop it, semicolon. That's it. Save this. If we preview it, we get the photo. I hope this helps you. If you have any more problems, please come to the forums.